Now to the resentencing of Scott Peterson for the murder of his wife Lacey and unborn son, who were from Modesto.
God is innocent, and that's what the evidence shows.
We are satisfied that we're going to get our day in court. If they want to retry it, we'll be there. And boy, we will be there bigger and better than they've ever seen.
Peterson's attorney and family have been bracing for this for more than a year now. He's expected to be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. This after the state Supreme Court overturned his death sentence last summer. The judge is also expected to make a ruling on another appeal filed by Peterson's lawyers to have this case retried.
And ABC 10's Lena Howland is following developments with the case as it continues to grip the country nearly 2 decades later. Lena, what can we expect in the courtroom this morning?
Well, Bria, we can expect emotions to be running very high. Lacey's family is expected to take the stand to give victim impact statements and talk about what the last nearly 2 decades have been like for them. Legal analysts we spoke with said Scott Peterson is also expected to take the stand. If he does, that will be the first time he's spoken publicly in 18 years. Today's sentencing comes after a judge overturned his death sentence last summer.
Because the judge erred in his examination of those jurors, the Supreme Court ruled last year that Peterson deserved a new trial, not on the guilt phase of his case, but on the punishment phase.
He says the Stanislaus County District Attorney decided not to retry Peterson, agreeing that the only remaining punishment would be life in prison, which is what today's sentencing is for. But it doesn't end there. Peterson still has another hearing set for February. Coming up in the next half hour, we'll hear why some experts believe he's still likely to get a retrial.
Okay, Lena, thank you so much. And ABC 10's Mike Duffy, who's just walked into the newsroom here, he's going to be outside the courtroom in San Mateo when Scott Peterson is resentenced this morning. The hearing starts at 10 a.m. Look for a full recap on Morning Blend Extra Shot. It comes your way at 11.